I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect soft boiled egg. And when I say soft boiled egg, I mean perfectly set whites and a gooey egg yolk. Now you need to boil some water, so have that ready to go, and also have a common metal skewer on hand. So I'm going to grab one of these fresh eggs, and on the wider end of the egg, I'm going to pierce a small hole just in the center. What that does is release the air in the air pocket that just sits up here, and that avoids the cracks and makes peeling much easier. So I'll just pierce a few more eggs, and then I'll carefully lower them into the water. I also want my egg yolks to be in the center, and we can do this just by stirring right at the beginning of the cooking process. Now we need to put a timer on, so I'm going to set my timer to 6.5 minutes precisely, and we'll allow them to cook. Once the timer goes off, I'm going to chill them immediately so it stops the cooking process, and then you'll see how easy it is to peel. In the meantime, I better get my toast on because this is my favourite breakfast. Okay, the timer has stopped, so now it's the moment of truth to see how easy these peel. And have a look at that. See how easy the shell comes off because we made that little hole? That's what I love about this technique. Now I'm going to cut it in half. Oh, the most perfect egg on some hot buttered toast, maybe some salt and pepper. And that, my friends, is how you cook a soft-boiled egg to perfection.